Nathan's eat dog food, you reckons? Do?
Yeah, of course I would.
Gotta be right on my heels. He said if we don't come over there, we're gonna have no music all night. Right, we're out for another adventure. Heading off to meet Drufus and Nathan. They're on the next mountain over. Just come back from this crazy gig. Maddest party I've ever been to. It was Dubtendo taking over Walton Castle. So there was gaming, you know, they had all the consoles, arcade machines, 2 different dance stages, playing drum and bass, themed in with music from games and stuff. It was amazing. Yeah, they had all mad activities, like it was a Mario Kart tournament, who could build the highest Lego. They had like a catwalk competition, girls had to dress up in tin foil. It was mad. Fair play, Dubtendo, fantastic. Wonder if this is a sinkhole down here. Might go into a cave. Just go check it out. Very narrow opening, I think. Oh yeah, you're not going down there. I wonder how big it is down there. From someone's wood stash as well, look. Someone's been camping there. So we're heading to the other side of this mountain. I've got 2 options here. I can go the long way around, or straight through the bog. I think it's going to be pretty dry, so I'm going to give the bog a go. Yeah, bog's not too bad. A few little bits to watch out for, but mostly alright. The amount of mountain we've got here, and this one's trying to trip me up. Gotta be right on my heels. They're just over the next hill. Let's see if we can sneak up stealth mode. Hey! Drifts in this normal tarp tent. Only Nathan's got the Pioneer too. Apparently they've stopped making this. This is like a new version of it. Very similar. Right, meatballs and mushroom starters. I've got, I'm going to do 6 more meatballs with mash. And he's raw dogging a gigantic sausage. Go on, let's see the action shot. Whoa, look at that. Nathan's massacred these sausages, look at them. Nathan's sausages. He likes to mash his sausages so they're barely recognisable.
Two fucking meatballs there.
Yeah.
Till they're almost minced meat.
Yep.
We've got a burger coming on here. Captain Hungry, keeping an eye in case. Oh, blue cheese.
Blue cheese.
And what's that called? Beefsteak mushroom.
Yeah.
Eesh. And this is, we've all got the same pan, okay? This is how they're supposed to look. Well used, my ears. Oh, we call this place the Bat Cave. It's because it's a tiny little hole here. And bats live in there. Don't know how big it is inside. He's got the golden goose.
Eggs. Strawberry, white chocolate, caramel. This decadent delight is worth its weight in gold.
Is it going to be as good as Nathan's sausage mash?
Different way in cooking, isn't it?
So you're making food for Barbie, huh?
Dog food. Yeah, why not, eh?
Just prick their ears up, then.
Oh, that's good.
Mm. Bolt City guns, huh?
Yeah,
tell you what,
that's better than the raspberry drizzle cake one I just had.
I'd eat it. I'd eat a bit of
Have a shot
dog
at
food.
that.
Right,
That's a good one.
Nathan's eat dog food, you reckon? Do?
Yeah, of course I would. Like an army, is it? I might be going for fair after it, but...
That's,
Oh, the smell's amazing.
that's really good, that is.
Bolt City, do you want to sponsor me or what?
Sponsor me, the amount of money I've given them.
Right, there's the meal. The mash is looking like slop, but there's one thing that can sort this out.
Oh, no.
The Nathan special. Yeah.
Have you seen what she got tattooed on?
Drufus has abandoned us. He said if we don't come over there, we're going to have no music all night. Gotta follow him, tough. You can see the two best tents from this angle.
Like to destroy and stuff, you know.
Look at her, man.
Going back to get a thermal top on. It's gone quite chilly. The weather forecast says it's pretty warm tonight, but we're up high and it ain't warm. There's the setup. Bit of a mess. Dura 5R X bed. Winter sleeping bag still. Pillow. All the bags that end and snacks that end. Easter egg. Baby one. Poppy spent ages making this fantastic bed, yeah. Fluffing it up. Getting it absolutely perfect. And she's going to lie over here. She hasn't touched this spot at all. Sunset's going to be epic, I think.
No tripod.
No tripod, sorry.
We can try and hold
Look
it
at that.
still, right?
I'm just going to hold it still.
For a half hour.
Get a time lapse. Try not to get anything in front of it, like. Oh no, she's trapped. You can't get in, can you? It's impossible. Poppy's actually in season, so she's gonna wear nappies in the tent. It's worked out alright. There we go. Cleaned up. We're in the quarry. This is a blast shelter here. They set the dynamite off, we all go run in and hide. Imagine a film where some sort of epic battle would be awesome. Thanks for watching that mediocre camp out. If you enjoyed that, go and watch someone else's channel and don't watch mine no more.
What's going at legendary?
Legendary, huh?
Lime or something down the back, is it?
Lime. Still got the cart at the bottom.